Use the operating handle to move the machine back and forth by turning the two runners on the steering handle.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this,
use the hydraulic operating handle to raise and lower forks.
No I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you
control the forward and backward movement of shelves.
I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness.
Control the fork tilt forward and backward.
Mysterious because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got. It was built
charging
to last.
demo. Take out the charger. Open the battery cover. Ensure the ventilation above the battery. Unplug the battery connector. Plug in the charger plug. Open the ventilation cover. Connect the power supply and start charging. After the battery is charged, remove the charger. Insert the battery power socket into the battery body plug. Close the battery ventilation cover and flip cover.